Hello to Daniela Mashkan, who is responsible for the SUVs and of course for the new KAROQ and the product marketing. Daniela, more than 500,000 pieces of the current model have been sold. Why do you think our customers choose especially the KAROQ?
It's the overall package. That means size, price-value ratio, 4x4 offer, variability such as VarioFlex rear seats. This and of course many more details and features make this model a great proposition to our customers.
And which powertrains can our customers choose from?
We have a good offer. There is a variety of petrol and diesel engine offered. Petrol 81 and 110 kilowatt and diesel 85 and 110 kilowatt. And this is topped by the 2.0 TSI 140 kilowatt with 4x4.
One of the biggest assets of all ŠKODA models and of course of the new KAROQ is the spaciousness.
Absolutely, you're right, Christian, exactly. The boot size is 521 liters and it can be extended up to 1,810 liters.
When we talk about safety, are there any new features that come along with the new KAROQ?
We are constantly updating our safety systems. Newly, we have added the pre-crash rear system that is enhancing the generation. What does it mean? The system actively protects passengers when a potential accident situation from the rear is detected. The KAROQ is a 5-star NCAP car.
More than 25% of our sold KAROQs came from a special, very dynamic model line. Can our customers expect an updated version of the SPORTLINE as well?
Yes, our SPORTLINE will be updated as well.
ŠKODA. Simply clever.